Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive collections, really very exclusive ones. So let me display. Nice color combinations also. Pure handloom soft silk material and all over base part is self weaving design with golden zari highlighted buta. Very smart and fresh looks and gorgeous also. Based for your function wear, party wear, festive wear. Very nice looks. This one is full base part. Very soft silk, pure handloom soft silk material highlighted golden zari fine weaving border, and all over base part is self weaving design with highlighted golden buta. Very trendy and fresh looks. And this one pallu portions contrast color dye with fine heavy weaving design work pallu. And this one full base part, very soft one, lightweight, summer friendly. And this one is highlighted border portions contrast color dye with heavy Banarasi weaving design work border, and full base part is self weaving with buta. And I will suggest this cotton fabric heavy weaving design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy and fresh looks, bright also. And for customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one very beautiful one, same material, same pattern, different color, peach pink shade, handloom soft silk material, and all over base part is fine weaving design, self weaving design all over base with golden buta design. And this one border portions fully fine golden zari weaving design highlighted border. And this one full base part is self weaving design with highlighted golden zari weaving buta design. And this one pallu portions contrast color dye pallu with fine weaving design highlighted pallu. This portion is pallu. And this one full base part, very nice look, soft, comfortable. This one is contrast color dye border with heavy weaving design, Banarasi border design. This portion is border, and this one is full base part, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart fresh looks. And this one very nice color combinations, handloom soft silk material with beautiful fine weaving design work. This one is full base part, soft comfortable base for your daily wear also. This one border portions golden zari border fine weaving design. This portion is fully fine dobby pattern weaving design all over base. This portion is beautiful fine weaving design and very smart fresh looks. And this one border portions fully contrast color dye with weaving buta design work. And this one pallu portions highlighted golden zari stripes with beautiful weaving feather like weaving stripes design pallu. And this one full base part, very trendy fresh look, semi cotton silk soft silk, semi cotton soft silk with golden zari border, and all over base is fine weaving design. And I will suggest this silk material self weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart and bright looks. Very beautiful one and very nice color combination, same material, semi cotton base, soft one, soft silk, semi cotton silk with beautiful fine weaving design all over base, very trendy fresh looks. And this one golden zari border, and all over base part is fine weaving design, very smart fresh looks. This one pallu portions fully golden zari stripes with highlighted feather like stripes design. And this one full base part, very smart and beautiful color combinations, baby pink with contrast dark pink combinations, very trendy looks. This portion is dye portions, contrast color dye with fine weaving buta design. And this one is full base part, beautiful dobby pattern weaving design all over base, very nice fresh color combinations. And this portion is running blouse piece, and this portion is beautiful base part. And I will suggest this silk material heavy work brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart trendy looks. And this one, very beautiful one, based for your party wear, also function wear, party wear. Very nice looks. Muslin base. This one, full base part. Very nice color combinations also, and hand weaving jamdani buta work. These are, muslin base and blue shade with beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta. And this one is pallu portions, matka stripes with sequin design work pallu. Very smart, fresh looks. And this one, full base part. This one is muslin base, transparent with weaving buta design. This portion is upper base part, and this portion, matka base split section. This portion is splits matka, magenta pink, and this portion is upper base part, muslin with jamdani buta, and this one is running blouse piece. Very elegant, bright looks, based for your party wear, function wear. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving Banarasi work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding smart looks and gorgeous also. And this one, same material, same pattern, different color combinations only, and very nice one, based for your party looks and festive looks. Very bright, fresh looks. This one, muslin base and light green shade, bottle green shade, muslin base, transparent with beautiful hand weaving jamdani floral buta and fully hand weaving design. Very fresh, smart, bright looks. This portion is, upper base part muslin, and this portion is bright, fresh red shade, split section, matka base, half matka, half muslin, muslin portion jamdani work, buta work, and this one is running blouse piece. Very bright looks. And this one, pallu end highlighted matka stripes with sequin design, and this portion is muslin. Very elegant, fresh, gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece. This saree for your trendy and bright looks. For customize your blouse, sewing your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. So, very beautiful, elegant color combinations and same material, and half matka, half muslin, muslin portion transparent with beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta. This one, full muslin portion, upper portion muslin with beautiful fine hand weaving jamdani buta design, and this portion, matka with split section. This portion is matka splits, and this one is running blouse piece, half matka, half muslin, muslin with jamdani work, and this one, full base part, and this one is pallu in beautiful sequin stripes design, matka stripes with highlighted sequin design stripes. Very trendy looks. And this one is muslin base with beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta. This portion is upper base part, transparent, very elegant, fresh, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and elegant, bright looks. And this one, very beautiful one, zari lian with Dhakai pattern weaving design border. Same material today I have draped, different color only. This one, have sign also, based for your party wear, festive wear. Very nice looks. This one is golden base, blackish golden shade, zari lian weaving, soft one, very soft, comfortable. And this portion is, a natural fabric lian base with beautiful weaving, Dhakai weaving work. And this one is all over base zari lian and very soft, summer friendly, bright looks, based for your party wear. Same saree today I have draped, different color only. And this one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base. And this one, pallu portions, fully fine stripes pattern weaving design, highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part, fully party looks. Very trendy one, have golden sign, zari lian weaving. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright, gorgeous looks. And this one, same material, different color combinations only. Same material, same pattern, zari lian weaving with Dhakai pattern weaving design border. This one, full base part, very bright, gorgeous looks. This portion is border portions, fully Dhakai weaving design work border, and base part is lian, border part is lian, natural fabric lian base. And this portion is, zari lian weaving, have sign also, golden sign, based for your party wear, function wear, festive wear. Very nice looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions highlighted weaving design stripes work pallu. These are beautiful contrast color weaving design pallu, and this one full piece part. Very nice looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. It's in a very beautiful one, very smart looks, based for your daily wear, office wear. This one premium quality pure handloom cotton slab material with silver zari border, and all over base part is very smart printed one. This portion is fully nice printed one, very trendy fresh looks. And this one pallu portions highlighted stripes with butta pattern printed pallu, and this one full base part, very smart fresh looks. This one is full base part, cotton slab material, soft one, summer friendly. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very trendy and elegant looks, based for your office wear. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one very nice printed one, very nice looks, semi cotton silk with beautiful printed one, very smart and trendy looks, based for your office wear. This one full base part, and this one is highlighted contrast border printed border, and this one is all over base part is nice printed and bright yellow shade and soft comfortable. This one contrast color highlighted pallu, and this one is full base part, very smart and elegant looks, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very nice looks. And I will suggest this sorry, silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding daily looks. And this one very bright one, very nice looks, matka base sequin design, bright gorgeous looks, based for your function wear, party wear. Very nice one. This one pure handloom matka base with beautiful sequin design border, very bright one. This one border portions fully weaving sequin design work border, very smart looks. This one beautiful border design, and this one is pallu in sequin work pallu. This portion is pallu in, very nice bright looks, based for your party wear, function wear. This one full base part, pure handloom premium quality matka base with sequin work border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very trendy and gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. In a very bright beautiful looks, organic lane with beautiful hand weaving butta design, bright maroon shade with golden zari weaving butta work, and pallu also very beautiful heavy weaving design. This portion full base part, fine golden zari weaving butta design, all over base fully fine weaving butta, hand weaving butta. And this one pallu portions highlighted fine golden zari weaving design, heavy worked pallu. And this one full base part, very bright gorgeous looks. This one is full base, very nice looks. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one all over base organic linen with beautiful hand weaving design. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding gorgeous looks. And this one very beautiful color combinations, navy blue shade, same weaving butta design, same material organic linen with beautiful fine hand weaving butta design all over base. This one full base part, and this one full base part is beautiful fine weaving butta design, highlighted hand weaving golden zari butta work all over base, very smart bright gorgeous looks. This one full base part, and this one pallu portions highlighted golden zari fine heavy weaving design work pallu, but very soft one, very trendy looks. and this one, full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, gorgeous looks. And today I have dipped a beautiful saree zari lian with highlighted Dhakai pattern weaving design border. Border portion is lian by lian with beautiful Dhakai work, and full base part is zari lian weaving. Have sign also based for your gorgeous looks, party looks. And this one, pallu portions highlighted contrast color hand weaving stripes design pallu, and full base part golden sign, very soft one, summer friendly zari lian weaving Dhakai pattern. What a beautiful saree, beautiful jewelry and blouse also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.